Here, let me get...
Hello, this is Tyler Sjogren. Here's my sexy assistant, Nick Reyes. We are gonna do a continuity test.
Without social distancing?
Without social distancing, with the cables and with the antenna cables to make sure they're working properly while you are on location. So what I like to do is I like to attach 2 jumper cables onto each side. The lovely assistant Nick will pull them apart.
Antenna jumper cable.
Antenna jumper cable.
Has 2 female ends. Attach 1 female end to 1 male end.
And this is how we also connect them in the field if we need more distance in the field. It is a beautiful thing. Sometimes you need that distance to get what you need.
A little extra length never hurt anybody.
All right.
Wow. It's hurt a few people.
So what we're gonna do is we're going to...
I can run all this. Or you wanna hold it?
Is we're gonna do a continuity test. You see they got A, B, and C on there. So what you wanna do is you wanna go to A, and then you go around to C and B as you're holding A, and then go to C, and then you go to B, A, just to make sure the lines aren't touching inside. That's why we do a double check on them. Nick's gonna perform that today, and we're gonna see, but you do B to B and make sure we get an ohms reading on it.
All right, so we're gonna use the continuity. Again, you'll hear the beeping noise, and I'll call out what I'm doing as I go, all right? So that can go down there because all we're doing is listening to it, not looking at it. Tyler, you ready?
Yep.
Okay, so first one is A to A, you hear the beep. A to B, you don't hear a beep. A to C, you don't hear a beep, and you shouldn't hear a beep on A to B and A to C. Now we go outside to the chassis and check that nothing's attached to the chassis inside the wire, which will cause a ground out and you'll lose signal. So next we'll go to B. We've seen that B is not connected to the chassis. B to A, B to B, we get our beep, which is indicative of a connection. B to C, no beep. So that's good. So now we're gonna go C. C to C, we have a beeping noise. C to A, we have no beeping noise. C to B, we have no beeping noise. And C to chassis, we have no beeping noise. And that concludes the ring out test for an antenna cable.
And also when you put on the jumper cables for the antenna cables, you also check them thoroughly too to make sure that everything is working 100%. All right, thank you. Please tune in. If you like my video, give me a thumbs up. If you like my lovely assistant here, give me a thumbs up. All right, thank you.